Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over the cross join keyword in MySQL. How we can join two tables together that have the corresponding values within them that are the same. Okay, so we have two tables here. So let's do select all from. We do orders. So we have this table here, and then we also have let's do select all from customers. And we have this table here. So we are going to be performing a cross join on both of these, and we are going to be joining up the customer ID from orders and the customer ID from customers. Okay, so let's do this now. Firstly, we need to select what elements or what values we actually want to select or display. So for me, we can pick any. This does not matter at all. So we do customers. We'll do customer name. We'll select this one, which is so customers. So it's this table here, and then the customer name is this value here. So we are going to be selecting these here, okay. And then let's also select the order ID. So we do orders dot order ID. So we are going to be selecting orders. So this table here, and we are going to be selecting the order ID. So it's all of these values here. Okay, so then we need to do from whatever table we selected from first. That's the way I usually do it. So customers, so from customers, and then we will perform a cross join on the other table, which is orders. So this table here. So you can see we are selecting these from customers, and we are joining up orders. Okay, so these two are going to be doing a cross join. And then we need to have a where condition. So we'll do where, and then we'll do something like customers, because we are going to be cross joining with these two values, customer ID and customer ID. So these have to match. Okay, so you can see already that we have customer ID 2, 37, and 77, and here we have 1, 2, and 3, because the value has to exist both on both the tables. So these values have to be the same for these values here. Okay, so you can see we have 2, and that exists on both of the tables. So this is a valid cross join attempt. But then you can see 37 does not exist on this table, and 77 does not exist in this table. Same thing here. 1 does not exist in this table. 2 does exist, so that's fine, and 3 does not exist here. So the only valid selection that we will get is with the customer ID, that is 2. So we'll do where customers dot customer ID. So we'll do dot customer ID equal this to we do orders dot customer ID, and just like this you can see, as I said, we only select one of them, which is John James Peter, who is this person, yeah, customer ID 2. Okay, so that's about it for cross join. Whenever you perform the where condition, this value and this value, they both have to exist within the same table. Okay, so that's basically it for the cross join. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.